Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Comply. Comply means act in accordance with wish or command. For example, we are unable to comply with your request. We are unable to comply with your request. Synonyms: abide by, act in accordance with, observe.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. The government did not comply with the protesters' wishes in either case. Now, repeat after me. The government did not comply with the protesters' wishes in either case. The second exempli. They are expected to be obedient and comply with requests from adults immediately. Now, repeat after me. They are expected to be obedient and comply with requests from adults immediately. The third exempli. The staff were clear that they were not going to comply with his request. Now, repeat after me. The staff were clear that they were not going to comply with his request.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The word abstemious has all the vowels in the alphabetical order. Other such words include abstentious, arious, arsenious, and facetious.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.